Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Pretty Brown Vegan, the place for plant-based comfort foods. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today's video, I will be showing y'all how I made the most fire vegan banana pudding. Like, it's fire and desire, 10 out of 10. If you guys are interested in seeing how I made this, go ahead and stay tuned. And before we do get into this recipe, I just wanted to take a moment and ask you guys if you could please check out that description box and support my channel. I've been selected to compete in Carla Hall's Favorite Chef for 2024. This would really support me, my brand, and my channel. So if you could please click that link in the description and just put a quick vote in for me. Now let's get into today's video. I am going to go ahead and get started with some dairy-free Jello mix. It is going to be vanilla flavored. A lot of Jello mix is plant-based. It doesn't have any animal products in it, and then you just go ahead and mix it in with plant-based milk. Today I'm using oat milk. I do go ahead and get that in a bowl, and I use a hand mixer and get that blended until it is well combined. And then I go ahead and add in a splash of vanilla, and I also add in a full can, sometimes a can and a half of the sweetened condensed oat milk. Adding a little more just gives it a little bit more of that sweetness, but 1 can is completely sufficient. So you just go ahead and get that blended together with the hand mixer as well. And then I do take almost this full container of this plant-based whipped cream. You can also make your whipped cream from scratch as well with oat milk whipping cream, but I just went ahead and got this container from Whole Foods. I saved just a little bit of that so I can just use it to decorate the top and make it pretty, but you can just go ahead and put the whole container in if you're not concerned about those aesthetics like I am. And then just go ahead and fold this in by hand until it is smooth and well combined. And then once you have that ready, it's time to start assembling. I'm using these plant-based vanilla wafers. Also got these from Whole Foods. And you just go ahead and layer it up. I do wafers, then I do bananas, and then I do the pudding mixture. I'm a cookie girl, so in my banana pudding, I love extra cookies. So I did another one on the side that I'll be showing you guys at the end of the video, where I lined some extra cookies around the outside of the rim as well. I just feel like more cookies than bananas and banana pudding is the way for me, but you can add in whatever ratio of bananas to cookie that you prefer. Just go ahead and stack it up though and get it ready to set in the fridge. So go ahead and stack it up as you would like, and I just go ahead and use this little measuring cup to pour it in there. Just makes it a little easier and mess free. And then for the top layer, I add some extra cookies on top, and then I crush some even more cookies on top. Again, I love the wafers when it comes to banana pudding more than I like the bananas, so that's just my personal preference. So just go ahead and, you know, decorate it up as you would like. Crush you some extra cookies on top if you like that, if you are a cookie girl like me. And then we're going to go ahead and cover this and set it in the fridge for as many hours as you can wait. I wish I could have waited a little bit longer just so that it would set a little bit more firm, but it was time to dig in by the time I was ready to eat this. So I went ahead and did that. Once it came out of the fridge, just put some little cute whipped cream design on the top and dug right in. It was too bomb. Like, it was so fire. I wish I had some more, but of course we already ran through this. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, go ahead and let me know in the comment section down below. Please don't forget to check that description box and vote for me for Food Network's Carla Hall's Favorite Chef 2024. Thanks so much.